Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pay later with Temu using credit card. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to temu.com, and from here just choose a specific item that you want to buy. So let's say I'm going to buy this one and I'm just going to add it to the cart. And now I just simply click on go to cart. And now guys, just simply click on checkout once you have added all the items that you want to buy. So guys, from here, as you can see, just simply fill out your shipping address. So I'm just going to pass forward this part. And now once you have provided the necessary information, just click on continue to payment. And from here guys, you should be able to see here payment method. So guys, just simply go ahead and choose card. And from here down below, just simply provide your card number, expiration date, and the CVV, and just simply provide the necessary information. So guys, when you are on a different region, you'll be able to have an option here Afterpay, Klarna, and Affirm. And from here, you'll be able to use Afterpay, Klarna, and Affirm for pay later services. So just simply select your preferred payment method over here. And after that, you can just simply click on pay with Afterpay over here. And after that, it will process the payment and just simply logging into your account by just simply providing your account details like your mobile phone number or email and password. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.